Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive. We're looking at this one specific website, RimaTech. That's at rimatechus.co. Our goal here is basically to figure out if it's legit, a real retailer, or if it's potentially one of those scam sites dressed up to look good.
Right. And first impressions, honestly, it looks pretty slick. Professional design, yeah. They're showing off these high-tech sounding gadgets, Rema Arrowhaven, Rema Aquan, names like that.
Catchy names.
And the big hook seems to be these massive discounts, like up to 49% off, plus they throw in a free surprise gift with every order. Sounds tempting.
Super tempting. And that's often the point, isn't it? Make it look really appealing. But that brings us straight to the big question mark raised in the source material. Let's start with the most obvious red flag.
The price, right. It just seems way too low. There's this example, an electric bike for just, what, a bit over $200.
Yeah, just over $200. I mean,
Yeah.
that's crazy low. You look at similar e-bikes from brands you actually know and trust, you're easily looking at over $1,000, often much more. So that old saying, if it looks too good to be true.
It probably is, exactly. That huge price difference isn't just a good deal. It's a warning signal. It should make you stop and think.
Okay, so the price is definitely suspicious. But sometimes new companies do use really aggressive pricing to get started. Is that enough on its own? What about the company itself? Like, who is RimaTech?
Well, that's where things get even more, let's say, murky. This leads us to red flag number 2, a real lack of transparency. The website seems pretty new, which isn't automatically bad, but
But there's nothing behind the curtain.
pretty much. You look for the basics: who runs the company, where are they actually based, is there a verifiable business address, reliable customer service contacts. It's all missing, or at least very hard to find and verify. It feels a bit like a ghost company.
Right. So you can't easily check them out, and you probably can't reach them if something goes wrong with your order.
Precisely. And that makes it incredibly risky. If there's no accountability, where do you go if you have a problem?
Okay, so we have unrealistic prices and a company that seems almost anonymous. What about social proof? Like customer reviews. Did we find any?
That's the third big issue. There's a real absence of credible reviews. Normally, you'd expect to find feedback, good or bad, on places like Google, social media, independent review sites.
But for RimaTech.
Not much out there. And the few reviews that do seem to exist, they look really generic, sort of like they could be copied and pasted from anywhere. Not trustworthy.
So no real evidence that actual customers are receiving these products and are happy with them.
None that seems reliable, no. And that free mystery gift we mentioned earlier,
Yeah.
think about it. It's less a bonus, more like a tactic. It adds pressure, makes you want to buy now before you, look too closely or do your homework.
Okay, so let's pull this all together.
Yeah.
We've got prices that just don't add up. We got a company that's basically invisible, and we've got no reliable customer feedback.
Yeah, when you stack up all those red flags, the evidence really points towards RimaTech being, let's say, a high-risk platform, potentially fraudulent.
So the advice is pretty clear then.
Absolutely. The sources strongly recommend extreme caution. Or, even better, just avoid it altogether. If you're buying tech, especially expensive stuff like e-bikes, stick to brands you know or sellers you can verify. It protects your money and, frankly, saves you a potential headache.
Right. So quick summary for everyone listening. Always sanity check the price against the market. Make sure you can find real contact info for the company, and be very skeptical of reviews that seem generic or are only on the seller's own site.
Definitely. And maybe a final thought to leave you with. How often does a really slick, professional-looking website make us lower our guard? We see the nice design, the fancy pictures, and we forget to ask the basic questions, like, why is this $1,000 product only $200 here? It pays to stay critical.
Good point. Always pays to dig a little deeper. Stay safe out there, folks.